It begins here, in the lush Valley de Feni, where the land is still wild, green, and alive. Every day, hands care for the soil and grow plants that have been used for generations. At Indika, we listen to this land. We grow the plants with care. We study them. And we turn them into wellness products made only from nature. In our factory, the work continues. Plants are dried, oils are distilled, blends are created, always with care and purpose. Everything is done here by people who believe in what they do. And when it's ready, each product finds its place. In a spa, in a bedroom, in a peaceful moment that belongs only to you. Indika, nurtured by nature.